Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your Motorola Signature. So, first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume levels in the settings. So open up the settings and scroll down until you see sound and vibration. Here, you want to make sure that media and the call volume are maxed out. So make sure that they are all to the right. So that means they are on 100%. Now, what you guys want to do is grab your phone, and first off, here we have the speaker grill. Now we want to make sure that we clean this one and this one at the bottom. So this will help us a lot, because when they are stuffed with dirt or debris or anything else, then they can just block a part of the sound and it won't sound as good as it should. Now, what are we going to do next is make sure that our Bluetooth is disabled. So let's go to the settings and then connected devices. Here we want to go to connection preferences and select Bluetooth, the first option. Now my Bluetooth is already turned off, so if your Bluetooth is turned on, you will see a blue switch on a black background, but now it's just gray and a black dot here. So make sure that Bluetooth is disabled, because we want to ensure that audio is not being rerouted anywhere else. So let's say your speaker, your headphones, your car, or anything else. Now, what you guys want to do is restart your phone to refresh the system. So let's hold the power button and the volume up button. Now, go to restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, after the device restart, what you guys want to do is check for software updates. So go over to the settings and now go over and scroll down until you see system updates. Here we have it. Now we want to click check for updates. And as you guys can see, it's finishing an update now. But if you have a button here to download and install the newest version, then make sure that you do that. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including your speaker not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.